Mina ikati ngiyalisebenzisa. Ikati ngiyalisebenzisa. Isinkwa leseni sidlayo. Transport.
Sepisa ume kancane.
I'm telling you. Unsliced bread, transport. Yes. Siyagibela kahle nje sigibele ubone sigibele libhasi lethu siyahamba.
Okay, Sepisa, I'm going to have to stop you there. So, trust me. This you like Uyaya Soto podcast.
Yeah.
Do you know the nature of Soto podcast?
Yes.
Do you know how big it is?
Yes.
Okay, cool. I just wanted you and I to understand that. For the safety, more than anything, I'm concerned about you. So, are you sure you're convicted to say, Siga, when
I am sure. Do not worry about me.
Okay,
I
cool.
Keep.
Okay,
So,
okay, cool.
Yes.
Now I'm at ease.
Okay.
Hello there you guys and welcome back to the channel. My name is Sello. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you do share this video. So following Tshepisho's much viral podcast interview whereby he went to Soweto podcast to speak about witchcraft and ubungoma. You guys, a lot of sangomas have gone onto social media to say it's enough. Amagqwirha or sangomas should not be given a platform to go on podcast and speak about ubungoma. You guys, the reason why they feel like they are just there to bash the name of ubungoma. You guys, I've seen a couple of videos whereby they were fuming is a sangoma. They were fuming, saying that he is putting the name of ubungoma to disrepute. Now Tshepisho went to that podcast whereby he spoke his truth because he says that he is a witch. He's been wanting to live this life of witchcraft. He speaks about the activities that he has done, bewitching his uncle, transport mode that they use, cats, etc. He spoke about President Cyril Ramaphosa, and of course he did touch a nerve when he spoke about South Africa's biggest church, the Church of the Zion Christian Church, saying that they do work with the church. He said that Isizangoma and witches do work with Zion Christian Church. He even spoke about the tea, what they put in the tea, so according to him, so that people can go hyper and stuff like that. He also spoke about how it is almost impossible for somebody who has been attending the Church of the ZCC for so many years to leave that church, you guys. So let me not waste your time, but quickly insert those clips of sangomas speaking about why sangomas shouldn't be given platforms. Sangomas and spiritually gifted people like prophets shouldn't be given a platform to speak. Please do check this out and of course engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below.
Thokozani lisedi khanya ndawo ndiremayishewe emakhosini ngiyakhuleka emakhosini makhulu ngithi makhosi bokokona bomkhulu ngifuna ukukhuluma into esikazi bangoma bomakhosi sizoyilungisa nini indaba yalama podcast lawa angakhi kodwa yabhidliza lama podcast abhadala abantu bazenza inyanga bayokhuluma udodi kulento zabo. Kunenye podcast yangihlukumeza man, ayingiphathi kahle ngeke ngisho igama, but bayacasha abantu babafaka amabhayi bakhuluma amanga ngobungoma, bakhuluma ngobuthakathana. Why sivumela into ezikanje zicindezela umsebenzi wabantu abadala? Ngoba it's not all of us that do witchcraft, it's not all of us that are here to destroy, but some of us are here to heal the world and silekelela uNkulunkulu ngale siphe sona. Ngiyacela bangoma, let's stand up for this kind of podcast. Siboneni ukuthi senza njani ngoba ayikho phela lento enzakalayo manje.
I wasn't going to say this, but I feel like someone has to say it. Someone has to say it. Guys, amagqirha and sangomas, in fact, wonke umuntu gifted shouldn't be on a podcast. Like, it should be illegal for sangoma to be on a podcast. Sangomas shouldn't be allowed on podcasts, guys. I'm so sorry. Someone has to say it. Someone has to say it. No, you guys are giving people the wrong idea. I am so sorry. Someone had to say it. Someone had to say it. You guys are giving people the wrong idea. So it's best that everyone keeps quiet. That umndenzele into ayenzayo qha yena azenzele ngokwakhe. Into ye podcast ngoku mayiphele. No guys, mayiphele ngoku. I'm sure sana ne-ancestors apho sihleli khona sana zothukile zithe nqa zezi mic nezi cameras like man guys you are someone had to say it.
Funda ukuthandaza mzalwane, funda ukuthandazela iy'ngane zakho, funda ukuthandazela umnyeni wakho, funda ukuthandazela i-health yakho, funda ukuthandazela umuzi wakho, funda ukuthandazela ukudla kwakho, funda ukuthandazela isipho sithola kumngane or whoever, funda ukuthandazela iy'mpahla zakho mangabe uzinake kulayini mzalwane, funda ukuthandazela ukudla okuthenga esitolo mzalwane, funda ukuthandazela imali oyithola ebhenki mzalwane, funda ukuthandazela umsebenzi wakho nawo, funda ukuthandazela imoto yakho, funda ukuthandaza emgaqweni mawusendleleni, funda ukuthandaza etekisini, funda ukuthandaza invite uNkulunkulu kuyo yonke into. Musa ukuguqa njalo uthandaze only mangabe khona into oyidingayo. Ubudlelwane noNkulunkulu ukuthi mangabe usunobudlelwane naye when uhamba noma uthusendleleni emsebenzini uyazibona uba late ngeke uzudini uzothi ngeke maybe khona into uNkulunkulu angipreventa yona ukuthi ngingahlangani na. Iba nobudlelwane noNkulunkulu, iba nobudlelwane. uJesu mawumazi makakwazi nawe ulazi izwi lakhe. Uyangizwa ukuthi ngithini? Abathakathi bayathakatha. Wena mangabe uzolokhu uyi-lukewarm Christian uzoba yibhola likashumpu labathakathi. Uyangizwa? Bazokushaya kanje bakuphonse baphinde bakunqake baphinde bakuphonse baphinde bakunqake. Uyangizwa ukuthi ngithini? Kathi le podcast lena ku Soweto podcast ku YouTube, thatha isikhathi uhambe uyoyifunda uyoyilalela njalo. Thatha isikhathi ukuthi uhambe uyoyilalela. Uma uyilalela ungayilaleli ngokuthi wesabe, vula ingqondo ukuthi u-understand ukuthi abathakathi bazothakatha.